Okay, bafethu saphinde sahlangana kwi-SNL Academy. Namhlanje I just want to take you through i-demo za and also nalento abayibiza nge-USD demo USD ne. So basically into ekumele niyazi ne about these demos ne, these are there for i-demonstration. So if when you are still not comfortable and still not familiar with i-platform yase-Easy Equities ne, you can use ama-demo because i-demos are bakufakela u-100,000 rands, but ningamanje ngoba sengino-80 lapho because I've used some for ama-demonstration purpose on some videos that we did ne. So uma uza kwi-demo USD ne, also nakhona kunemali abakufakele yona which is $10,000, but let's say 5,000 because we've used it for any video besiyenzile for demonstration purpose ne. So now bafethu i-demo za, I can say it's similar with Easy Equities za. Reason why ngisho njalo, it's because la kunama companies that are listed with JSE, which is Johannesburg Stock Exchange, and ama companies as South Africa. So if you are familiar with UZA, you know UZA, it's another way abayisebenzisayo mebesho ukuthi irand or to define irand. So it's ZA and also it's called irand ne. So now if we are ngena ku demo za bafethu, let's just click on demo za and wait a few seconds ne. Okay, silodile. If you go down after so click here demo za, let's just go on invest now. Okay, if so click here ya loader, you're gonna see bano select investment types la bana ma equities, ETFs, ETNs, crypto, basket bese bana ma bundles. But now, because thina sisaqala angifuni nihlangahlanganise, we're just gonna focus on my equities. Equities basically, these are just stocks of companies that are listed with JSE South Africa. That will be your Shoprite, that will be your MTN, Vodacom, and so on and so forth. So when you go down, scroll up on a search engine, and then we're just gonna put Purple Group. Purple Group, bafethu, for those who do not know, it's the company that owns the Easy Equities. So now you can see Purple Group, that's a big vessel. Their share price is currently R1.70. And then now on a graph that shows how has it been performing for the past month, 3 months, 6 months, and then maximum. Let's click on maximum. We can see the share Yangena was listed, when it started getting listed at JSE, it was 36 cents, that is 21 May 2014. And you can just scroll and play with this thing, and then you can see. So now we're just going to go through where you can actually buy our shares. Remember, 100,000 that is given to you for a demonstration purpose. Very important note, there's two things that I just want to share with you. Le mali with demo account or demonstration account, you cannot withdraw it. Number one. Number two, prices, they are as it is on the real market. I'm just going to give you a practical example. Now we are under a demonstration account, and this is the price, R1.70. Let's just wait for this thing to load. Okay, R1.70. Let's go to Easy Equities ZA, because I said Easy Equities ZA and demo ZA, it's similar. These are companies that are South Africa listed on JSE. The price it's R1.70. So we're gonna go back to the demo because we are dealing with the demo with the video. Then let's just wait for it to load. Okay, let's just say, okay, but it's 80,000 rand. I've used some let's say we are putting 20,000 rand to buy some shares as a Purple Group. And then you're gonna get 11,494 shares. Then you can just click buy, it's open, and then bingo, congratulations, your buy order has been placed. We'll take care of the rest, and then something like this, and then you can share it on Facebook or Twitter if you want to. So basically, izinto ezibalulekile ngedemo, you can just use it while you're still trying to familiarize yourself with the app and how to do izinto, ne? And then when you're comfortable, you can move on to easy equities, and then you'll be buying with real money and stuff, ne? So move it, see with demo USD. Okay, demo USD bafethu, we can say it's similar to easy equities USD. Ne? Lana you will get international companies, ne? About Apple, about Tesla, about Ford, about Facebook, about Amazon, about Netflix. Zonke lezi inkampani lezi ezi-international uzosithola under udemo USD. So nakhona same thing apply. Now you go to invest now, then it's loading, then uzozala. So bayakuvezela la, select investment type, kunama-equities, ETNS, ETF, baskets and bundles. Like njengoba ngishilo sisaqala thina ningayihlanganisi nalezi zinto, ezisikhathi sihamba we are gonna break down lezi zinto. Into ebalulekile ama-equities for now, ne? And then uzothola i-search engine la. Let's go to Apple, let's check Apple ukuthi kwenzakalani. Na Apple ivela, click on it. And then bingo, nayo ke i-Apple, ne? Ungalokhu usixhumela ngokuthi uphatha i-Apple i-13 or 14 or 20, asinandaba nalokho thina. We are investors, sitshela ukuthi how is your portfolio doing yama-shares akho ase-Apple, ne? Because that will matter 20 years from now or 10 years from now. But no one will care ukuthi wena uphatha the latest Apple ngo-2023, ne? Okay, otherwise basibhalela la the amount. Okay, ngimtshelile ngathi lana i-amount abazokunika yona for demonstration purpose, it's $10,000, but we've used it because we were doing some video. So let's just say someone invested $2,500. You just click on the site and then they will tell you uzotola 19 shares, ne? So you just click buy and then let's wait. Then congratulations, you just expanded your portfolio, so you can share this on Facebook or Twitter, Mutanda. Then the amount now it's go down, ne? So otherwise hopefully in 2023 you are gonna go journey with us with prices investor in the stock market, and also try and get knowledge and information, because this issue is SNL, which we want people to retire before 60. We want people to have financial freedom. We want people to have wealth that we can pass on to ingane zethu, you understand? So otherwise siyabonga support nizosibamba futhi on another video esoyidropha. Otherwise ningakhohlwa to invest and spend. There's a reason why kumele uspende after usu investile. Thank you.